So next we're going to be using the AWS TCO calculator to make the case for moving our organization to the cloud. Now TCO, in this case, stands for Total Cost of Ownership, and this calculator helps organizations understand what it would cost them to move a workload into the cloud. Here in this demo, here's what we're going to be doing. First, we'll be accessing the AWS TCO calculator utility. Then, we're going to be estimating cost savings for an organization using the TCO calculator compared to their traditional data center approach. And then, we'll be downloading a summary report from the TCO calculator that we can share with stakeholders in our organization. So the AWS TCO calculator is located at oscocalculator.com. Now I've chosen some settings here so that we can explore the type of results that are returned from the TCO calculator. Now first of all, I've chosen the option here for on-premises. What that means is we're actually comparing the cost of using the cloud versus an organization that is leveraging their own data centers. I've chosen a region here, which is US East in Northern Virginia, and then I've also set up that we're comparing against physical servers as opposed to virtual machines. Now I've already entered in some servers here. We have some web servers, some database servers, and some servers that are used to process the data that is output from our application. And I've also included some storage requirements here. So we have both a SAN and a NAS that we want to look at transitioning over to the cloud. So in this case, we have 250 terabytes of storage paired with 35 servers that we would be looking to transition over to the cloud. So now let's calculate our TCO. And so the AWS TCO calculator is predicting that we could save 34% a year by transitioning our infrastructure to AWS, which means that we would be saving over $500,000 by making that transition over a 3-year period. Now, of course, AWS is making several assumptions in providing these calculations, and you can get a complete breakdown of these recommendations by looking here within the report. And so we can see here the recommended sizes for the instances that we're transitioning over to AWS, the different approaches that we would take, and also the specific cost breakdown between using reserved instances with EC2 compared to building out your own hardware and overhead that would be required within your own data center. Now, if you want to take all of this data and you want to be able to provide it back to the stakeholders within your organization, you can simply download the report that is produced by the TCO calculator. And so from here, we can choose to either download the report or use the URL above to send to colleagues so that they can view the results of the TCO calculator. In this case, we'll download the report, and we're now given a report that provides that TCO comparison and clearly delineates all of the assumptions that are made in that calculation that you can now share with the stakeholders in your organization. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please take 1 second and press the button below, like, subscribe, and bell icon.